Hello and welcome to another Foxfire video tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be going over creating Misc LPNs. For this tutorial we'll be running through a scenario where we found extra LPNs in a location and we need to add them back into our system. First, let's open up our Foxfire like we have here and come to the top right, and there's this icon here for Misc LPN creation. We click that once. And then as the Misc LPN creation screen comes up, we need to first find a SKU. So let's click the three dots here, and that'll pull up the select SKU screen. Now for this demonstration, I'm just going to pick any active LPN. So let me search that now. Our active LPNs have come up now. I'm just going to select the one here at the bottom as our SKU for this LPN. Let's click select here. Now you can see the information for this LPN has been loaded in for this SKU. Now let's select the number of LPNs we found in our inventory. I know we found 5 LPNs we didn't know about, so let's click there and press 5. Next, let's go to the LPN details. This will show you where it was made, the owner, and some other details where you can show when it was created, production release date, and the expiration date of the LPN. I'm going to select the creation date, and I'm also going to select the creation reason, and I'm going to put found inventory. And that's all you have to do. You go to the top here, and you create and print LPNs, you click create, and then you hit apply. And that'll be everything you need to do to create your Misc LPNs. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we hope to see you next time. Thanks!